You're such a fucking disappointment, bro. I don't even know why I fucking made you, bro. You literally, I wasted that little thing, the little thing I put in you, know that thing? I wasted on you. You're stupid little poopy stinky fart. Got it? Okay? Stupid idiot? Come on.
Okay, Crash Out.
Ain't no way bro's using commands. Whatever, I gotta kill this pink little bitch.
Back on, you little bitch!
Shut the fuck up, bro. You're fucking pink.
Okay, I will back off.
Stop undressing me. I don't consent.
Yuch!
No, my lunch! My lunch! Stop gooning to him.
You fucking idiots, bro. You're just really bad at hiding stuff, you know. I'll just have you know. Anyways, this thing is so cool. You stupid idiots. You're just really bad at this. And obviously it's grown in power.
No, what do you mean? It's literally just a fucking egg. What?
What?
Good.
What the Sigma?
Yeah, he definitely went to get milk. I don't think he loves you no more.
He must have played fiend at the wrong time.
Do you want to take a bite out of your dad, like just this once?
What? No!